Good morning, guys. We are just heading into Josiah's music class. Are you excited for your class?
So they're working on
Yeah, they're working on the roof here at the community center. Anyways, we're going in. I'm not sure if they'll let us record in his class, so we'll see. But I was hoping, since Isaac didn't have to work today, that maybe one of us can vlog while the class is going, vlog Josiah while the class is going on, so you can kind of see a little bit of his class. So we'll see. His name is Macaroni. He trots and then he stops. My funny little pony Macaroni. Whoa!
Lovely, thank you. Stand up now and hold out like a circle. We're going to go for a walk in a circle.
Here we go, loopy light. Here we go, loopy loop. On a Saturday night.
I put my 2 hands in. I put my 2 hands out. I give my hands a shake, 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 and turn myself around.
You put your head in? Take it out.
Shake, shake, shake.
Now shake your head.
Myself around.
On a Saturday night.
This one.
Run fast, listen, it's fast. Jojo, where are we? There's a big baby penguin here.
Yeah, that's the baby. That's a baby penguin.
He's
Furry
so
one,
cute.
really furry guy.
Aww. Come on, focus. I don't know if this is olives. I don't think so though. Maybe that's fakes.
Oh no.
Does anyone know what that is hanging from a palm tree? Because I have no idea. Push the button.
That one?
Yeah. Push it. Oh, here it comes. So this one's going about 488, 493.
What's this?
Let's see. This one doesn't seem to go as fast. It's designed, one of the propellers turns faster because it's designed differently. Because there's a difference in the shape of the blades. This one will go slower, the shape is like that, and this one goes faster, the shape is. And this is how camels get their treats, I guess.
They're eating their treats.
No, he's playing with that ball. I think it maybe has treats in it. And this one's looking at me. Weirdo. Let's go see the dragons. Oh, while I hang off the edge.
We don't have to cover my nose.
Is it a bit stinky for you?
Yeah.
That's okay, we'll survive. Let's look over here. We can go put our faces right next to the guy over here. He's sleeping. Such a bad reflection.
A big dragon.
Yeah, he's a big dragon.
Yeah.
He's way over there. It's hard to see him in the corner. He's way back there.
Yeah.
Don't bump me. There he is. Hi guys, we're home now. I'm just actually making a pizza, and I'm trying to grill up some eggplant. I bought an eggplant one day because I heard about how yummy grilled eggplant was, and I haven't had it for years, like probably over 10 years. And before that, I never had it. So I'm like, well, let's try it and see. I don't know what I think, but yeah, we'll see. I was like, I'll put it on half and see what we think. Jojo, come. It's a superhero. He came and told me that he's gonna save me. Go run and see Daddy. I want to see your cape. Now run. Wow, what a cape. So the pizza is done. You can see my eggplant. I just put 3 big pieces on because I have a feeling we might not love it. But the pizza looks amazing. I'm really happy. It turned out actually really good, and I actually was able to cook it long enough to get the cheese to brown. It's always my problem. I'm so impatient. I hate waiting until my cheese gets nice and crispy. So yeah, we shall now go and eat with our little superhero. It's that time of night again.
Oh,
Is it bedtime?
he's tired. He's tired.
Give Mom a kiss. Aww.
I was changing his diapers, folks, and I was like, all,
I love you.
he was all like yawning, and you can tell. He's like, I asked him, he goes, yeah, he is tired.
Yeah.
So then I told him, I go,
Good night.
and so I was telling him, don't fight your sleep. Just let it happen.
Say good night.
Good night.
Good boy.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
What was your favorite part of your day?
I can think.
You just can't think?
Can't think of a one?
That's okay.
At the mall.
We didn't go to the mall today. Was it the zoo?
Yep, the zoo.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Buenas noches, folks.
Buenas noches. Look. Bye.